Hey everyone, this is Larry from wstrades.com doing the weekend watch list. Sorry this is late. My wife and kids decided they needed to make sure that I wasn't feeling well and caught whatever cold they have. So market's actually open right now. I'm recording this. Market's been open for a little over an hour right now. Usually I'll do this on the Sunday before, so you can I'll give my prediction of what the indexes are going to do, and then throw out a few tickers to keep an eye on. But now we get to look at real time. So anyways, let's continue. So you can see the futures right now looking great, especially Bitcoin going to the moon. We have Nasdaq up about almost 0.5%. Russell up over 0.75%. Dow is almost 0.5%, and S&P up just about 0.5%. So we'll look at the charts and see. Give some predictions on the indexes. So we got SPY, zoom in. Yeah, SPY finally broke above this level, which they've kind of been chopping around anyways. I thought they were going to just continue in this level, so nothing new here. I didn't think they were going to break down and hit this like 434 level. So another thing we have to keep in mind is third quarter earnings is starting this week, so a lot of banks and stuff going this week. I know Fastenal is, I believe, tomorrow before market opens, so you might see like last year when we were kind of overextended in my opinion, and then we had a lot of big companies come out with earnings and the rally just continued. So might have the same thing here, but with things being kind of super sold off right now, we might see a nice rally, an actual rally off of all the earnings coming out. So yeah, SPY, nothing new. Haven't dropped below this 340 or 438 level, so that's looking good. Nice bullish look. Let's go over to the Qs next. Is Nasdaq. Yeah, Nasdaq. I thought last night we had futures were kind of selling off, so I thought we were going to come down and test this this trend line, this pretty long-term trend line. But you know, see, we had this gap down this morning, and then everything's rallying up almost 0.5%. So I don't know, we might see a nice move higher. I'd love to see tech just blast off to about this 372 level. I don't know if we're going to get there soon. I don't know. I'll have to look at the earnings and see when tech is reporting. But yeah, everything's looking good. I'm still, I don't know what the options would pay, but I don't think Nasdaq's going to bust below this trend line, and it's in an upward trajectory. So at some point, they might touch it way over here. But yeah, this is a really nice support line for Nasdaq right now. Now we're going to look at Dow. Yeah, Dow, same thing. You've got this really nice support line down here that it just, I don't see us breaking through this unless we have some catastrophic news come out, another, coronavirus or something. Looks like they found a nice little bottom right here at about the, looks like it's trading off the 55 right now, EMA. So yeah, Dow's looking good, bullishly as well. And I had a couple tickers I was going to go over bullishly and bearishly, so now I guess it's kind of cool. We can see if I was actually correct in my predictions I was going to give out last night. And one is Lumen again, L-U-M-N. Yeah, see this one? I don't know. We'll see if we can get some confirmation today, but I didn't think it was going to drop below this about 1250 level. But as you can see, we're at 1240, so hopefully this thing can close above this trend line, and we'll have some confirmation for a move higher. They got a contract with the Postal Service to modernize their what was it? Oh, the network modernization contract from the U.S. Postal Service. So hopefully come out and give some more details of that. But yeah, I'd love to see this thing finish above about 12.48 to have some confirmation for a move higher. I'll definitely be going long if they can finish above that. But right now, with them breaking through this level, they might come down and test around $12. I don't see them dropping all the way down to this trend line at about 11.30. So yeah, anyways, I'd love to see them finish above that trend line today. Looks like they're trying to make a move higher, so we'll see. Another bullish one was PGR. Let's see. Yeah, PGR is making a nice move higher. So I drew this trend line from this sell-off. Then we had a fat rally sell-off, and then immediately just got bought back up after this big gap down. And then we sold up to this level again. So my assumption was they were going to start making a move higher off of this level. And looks like they are up 1.18% right now. So let me try actually, I'll check it out right now. What's this? We'll call it the 89. So let's see what these options are trading for. Let's go out about 40 days. So sell the, they don't have 89 put, so I mean, if you went 90, that'd be kind of close to it. The shorter term, only 4 days to expiration. I don't really like that. But let's see what you could get for the selling the vertical put spread on them. You get $40 to risk, $250. Yeah, I'd probably pass on that one. Delta's super low. Well, about 30 delta. So yeah, I don't really care for that. Don't really like that pricing. Seems like I could get a lot better trade in. Although yeah, if you just went long shares or something, I think it's not going to go below this price level. Although they do have, looks like they have earnings on the 14th, so in a few days. So something to keep an eye on. Just remember, playing earnings is dangerous. They could have some bad news and just crush through this level. So yeah, I'd probably stay away from that. It's weird that the options are only pricing that low if they have earnings. Anyways, let's go look at some of the bearish tickers I was looking at. ED. Okay, this one's blasting off. So this one I wasn't super bearish on, because you can see I have this trend line drawn and this price level that was acting like support drawn. I was talking to James and I said, well, as soon as it goes either through this trend line or through this price level, we're going to see a pretty big move. And as you can see, up almost 3% today. They blasted through this. Looks like they gapped up this morning and kind of stalled out. So yeah, as soon as they went through this trend line, you had a fat move up. So well, right now this could start acting like support. Where do we got price level wise? I know we could see Consolidated Edison make a run to 77 soon, since they were able to break through this trend line. Another one, the last one, is BBY, which is Best Buy. Yeah, same thing here. I didn't know, well, we'll have to get confirmation on this, but I didn't think Best Buy was going to break through this price level I had drawn out. Acted like support here when they sold off through it. Started acting like a little bit of resistance. And especially these last Thursday and Friday candles, where you can see it came up and touched this price level and then sold off. Same thing here. They tried to break through it, sold off. And today they actually broke through it. So if we can close above this this price level at about 108, you can see that acting like some nice support. So definitely keep an eye on that. See where they close today. Get some confirmation if they're going to start making a move higher or actually come back down. So yeah, depending on where they close today is where I'm going to be placing my bets. So anyways, sorry for not doing this yesterday. Wasn't feeling well. Still not feeling well, so I'll try and get some more videos out. But thank you guys for watching. If you have any tickers you want us to take a look at, leave them in the comments below. And me and James will do some technical analysis on them. And also, please like and subscribe.